Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ASUS ROG Strix NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti edition. This is a gaming graphics card. PCIe Express 4.0, 8GB GDDR6 random access memory, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4a, Axial-Tech Fan Design, 2.9-inch slot, and super alloy power too, with GPU tweak too. Wow, this is the top tier gaming GPU. GPU means graphic processing unit, powered by NVIDIA Ampere architecture with 1890 megahertz, 1890. That's a boost clock. 4864 CUDA cores and 8GB GDD6 memory. Yeah, that's a nice graphics card. Comprehensive cooling options. We have the Axial-Tech Fan Design. This has been turned up with more fan blades and a reverse rotation direction for the center fan for less turbulences. And a quiet intelligence. Advanced onboard controller brings the fans to a standstill when the GPU core temperature is below 48 Celsius for near silent gaming. Advanced performance monitoring included the ASUS GPU tweak software. This lets our monitor tweak and tune critical parameters in real time. And precision automated manufacturing. The Ultra Extreme and Max Contact technology delivers premium quality and reliability with aerospace-grade super alloy Power 2 components. And customized setup with RGB lighting. A new addressable RGB elements can be customized with Armory grade to create a uniform look along with other ROG components. That's a cool graphic card. We enjoy the best AAA gaming has to offer with the ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 Ti edition gaming graphics card. This GPU is powered by the NVIDIA Ampere architecture with 1890 MHz boost clock in OC mode. 4864 CUDA cores and 8GB DDR6 memory for guaranteed power delivery and speed. We have a performance and a quiet mode, and in this mode we can choose directly on the card. The Axial-Tech Fan is an upgraded design. It comes with a newly tuned with reverse central fan directly for less turbulences inside the cooling array itself. The fans also shut off completely when the power consumption is low and the GPU temp falls under 48 degrees Celsius. This letting us enjoy light gaming in near silence mode. And the connected fans automatically react to GPU and CPU temperatures, so the system is optimally cooled no matter what's happened. The ASUS GPU Tweak 2 software lets us adjust critical parameters including GPU core clocks, memory frequency and voltage settings. This making monitoring performance and streaming in real time easier than ever. Of course, you does not need it to use it. You can install it, download the driver, and have fun. The ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 Ti graphics cards is crafted via a precision automated manufacturing process using aerospace-grade components, resulting premium quality electronics with reduced thermal strain on the components for greater long-term reliability. It supports up to 4 monitors via 3 times DisplayPorts and 2 times HDMI and customizable ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting. The ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3060 Ti edition delivers customization we need to outshine the competition. the Rockstrix RTX 3060 Ti OAG Gaming looks not only really cool in your rig, it is cool because we have an NVIDIA Ampere Streaming Multiprocessor, the building blocks for the world's fastest, most efficient GPUs. The all-new Ampere SM brings 2 times the FP32 throughput and improved the power efficiency. And we have a second generation RT cores, experience 2 times the throughput of first generation of RT cores, plus concurrent RT and shading for a whole new level of ray tracing performance. And we have a 3rd generation tensor core. We get up to 2 times the throughput with the structural sparsity and advanced artificial intelligent algorithms such as DLSS. The cores delivers a massive boost in game performance and all new AI capabilities. And we have an OC edition here. The boost clock from 1890 MHz in OC mode and 1860 MHz in gaming mode is possible. OC edition, baby. And the fan technologies, Axial-Tech. It has been newly turned with a reverse central fan direction for less turbulences. And 2.9 slot design. Expands cooling surface areas compared to the last generation for more thermal headroom than ever before. This is easy to install, as you can see. You have to open your tower, of course. You have to remove your old graphic card, and then you need the PCI Express slots. There you can attach this ASUS Rockstrix GeForce graphics cards easily. After you install this on 2 slots, you can see, then you have to get the power supply onto it. It has to be locked into the mainboard, of course, and then you can dock all your peripheral devices onto it. And after this, you can start your computer again, download the firmware. Maybe deinstall, remove the old firmware if you have an NVIDIA and GeForce or an NVIDIA graphic card before. Completely remove it. Then go to the setup and make a new clear graphic card driver. Download it, and then you have the latest version of it, and then you can have fun with that ASUS Rockstrix NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti OC edition with that awesome gaming graphics card. You are the best. Really the best. It looks really cool in your computer system, and it makes a really good job. PCI Express 4.0, 8GB GDDR6 RAM, HDMI 2.1 port, DisplayPort included, Axial-Tech Fan Design, 2.9 slot, Super Alloy Power 2, and GPU Tweak 2 if you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.